The Union flag, also known as the Union Jack, is the official flag of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. It is one of the world's most recognisable flags and a symbol seen on merchandise such as umbrellas, hats, guitars and underwear. The design is made up of the English, Scottish and Irish flag. At its height, the British Empire consisted of over 60 countries and territories around the world. Each had its own flag, but all of them featured the Union Jack. After World War II, many countries gained independence from Britain and changed their flag, but as of July 2017, the following places still have the Union Jack in their flag: Anguilla, Australia, Bermuda, British Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, Cook Islands, Falkland Islands, Fiji, Montserrat, New Zealand, Niue, Pitcairn Islands, South Georgia and South Sandwich Islands, St Helena, Turks and Caicos Islands, Tuvalu, and the United Kingdom. Some countries, such as Canada, still have close ties with Britain but no longer feature the Union Jack in their flag, although a number of Canadian provinces still do. This example is Ontario's provincial flag. Some examples of countries that once flew the Union Jack but have since changed their flag are Malta, India, Jamaica, and Kenya. And America used to fly the Union Jack in what was known as the Grand Union Flag, and the Union Jack still features in the Hawaiian state flag. In 2014, Scotland held a referendum to leave the United Kingdom, which potentially would have required a new flag for what remained of Great Britain. A possible replacement could have been this flag.